little desktop companion bot with endless fun. iLick comes with 3 touching areas. Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Don't touch his back when he's upset, or iLick will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. iLick is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. iLick is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. iLick wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 iLicks together to start the magic moment.
Okay. Cheers! Okay. Oh no!
Not enough? How about this?